Changing your workspace name on EVBox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Login. Access the EVBox platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the workspace settings. Step 2. Navigate to workspace settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select workspace name. In the workspace settings, look for the option labeled workspace name or similar. Click on this option to edit the current name of your workspace. Step 4. Enter new workspace name. Type in the new name you wish to assign to your workspace. Ensure that it meets any character limits or guidelines provided by the platform. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes and update the workspace name. Now you have successfully changed your workspace name on EVBox. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact support for assistance.